this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with Cash App without card, and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the Cash App provides users with the Cash App card. This card makes it easy to purchase stuff not only physically but also online. If you don't have access to the Cash App card, however, you can still find ways to make purchases online. So the main one, of course, is going to be by using the numpad and just paying other people. But of course, if you are trying to purchase something in a specific website, then this function is not going to work. Usually, this function to pay someone is primarily going to be used when you either have a QR code or you have someone that you directly need to make a payment to, and it's not intended to pay businesses and so on. So, what I recommend that you do is that you look for Cash App Pay on the payment method. Some services will allow you to pay using Cash Pay even if you don't have a card. If you choose Cash App Pay during checkout, a QR code will be generated, and then all that you have to do is scan this QR code using Cash App. By doing this, you will be able to issue this payment without using your card. As long as you have enough funds on your account, this is very important, you will be able to pay for this transaction. Keep in mind, however, that not all services will give you access to the Cash App Pay payment method, and if that's the case, then it is going to remain impossible. But if you see the option to use Cash App Pay, just choose it from the payment methods, and you will be able to scan the QR code to issue the payment. It is by far the most convenient way to pay if you don't have the card. Now, if you don't have the card and a specific website that you want to purchase something online does not accept Cash App Pay as a payment method, then sadly, I don't know of any other way to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with Cash App without card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.